Hello guys, welcome to CAD by Rahul. Today we will see how to download and install Creo 5.0 student version in your PC. So let's get started. First of all, open your browser and type PTC Creo student version download. Several searches will found. Open the first one. The page will open. Fill the details. I am filling details. First name ABC, last name XYZ, email ID abc@gmail.com, retype your email ID abc@gmail.com. Select your country. I am selecting here India. Describe you, college and university student. Enter your mobile number 999888. Job title student. Then click submit. Now this page will open. Here you will find several versions. Find Creo 5.0. Click on it. After that, the PDF will open. Here you will find the details, how to install, downloading link, licensing key, and etc. So click on the downloading link. If you found this type of error, just click on continue to site. Then this page will open. Here we don't have the username and password. For that we have to create new education account. For that, create a new education account by clicking on it. Fill the detail. First name ABC, last name XYZ, email ID abc@gmail.com, confirm email same as above. Parent email address is not required, so leave it blank. Education program, real world design challenges. Title, college, university student. School, COAP. State, select anyone. Select your country. Enter your password. Confirm your password. In security challenge, you have to select type underline number only. Here 328. Now create account. Back to main page. Fill the username and password. Then login. Then the export agreement page will open. Just click on the checkbox. And continue. Find the Creo 5.0 download link. Just click on HTTPS link. After that, this window will pop up. Just save it and the download will start it. After the download, go to downloaded folder, extract the zip file using WinRAR. Before installing the software, we have to disable the antivirus. So search Windows Security. Go to virus and threat protection. You will find the manage setting. Turn off the all options. Now go to unzip folder. Find a setup file. Right click on run as administrator. After that, this window will pop up. click on new install software, then click next. This is software license agreement. Just accept this and next. Here you have to fill the license key. Go to PDF, copy it, or you can type the code which is displayed on screen. Click install licensing. Here you have to fill the education account details, username, usually your email address and password. Then click on login. After that, it processing. Then you find the success message. Then click next. Select the application you want to install. I am selecting only Creo Parametric and Creo Thumbnail Viewer. Click on install button. It will take 10 to 15 minutes to fully install. So wait. Now installation is done. Just click on finish button. Before starting the software, just restart your system. Now double click on Creo Parametric icon and launch it. Now software is running. Just click on no start working. Close this window. Now software is successfully installed. Now we will test this software by creating some models. If you want to learn how to create 3D models and assemblies, please subscribe our channel and stay tuned with us. Thank you.